not disturb me.
I have no reason to kill these merchants if they cooperate. Maybe I should spare this one. He may be working against his will. This letter mentions the Tamba Highlands, but where are they? It will be somewhere in the mountains, but which mountain?